check out the before picture on your left and check out my jaw area, the jowls, and my neck. This is the after. Hi, I'm GloryB, and this is GloryB-TV, a lifestyle channel for mature women. Want to look fabulous, feel amazing, and age gracefully. Well, I like to age gracefully, and mostly I do it through diet and skincare, but sometimes, just as life keeps going really fast, stuff starts to drop. And one of those things that drops is our neck and the jowl area. Oh my gosh. And I'm 64. I'm going to be 65 this year. So stuff is just going south, right? Now, I've only had Botox once just to try it. And I filmed the whole thing, of course. And I had filler on the same day. Someone I know, she was training somebody new. They're all nurses. And I had some Botox in my forehead. I had a little bit, I think, on the sides. And then they did some filler in here. It only lasts a few months. I did it in January 2023. It was gone by May of 2023. Now as I'm filming, it's July 2024. So I'm going to share with you how I got from that before picture to this. And it's a fun little trick. And it was invented by, apparently he's a well-known makeup artist, and his name is Art Harding, with his instant facelift and neck lift. Now there's somebody else on YouTube who does makeovers, and I've seen him use the neck piece on his clients. I haven't seen him use the upper face one though. So I'm going to demonstrate this. It comes in two different colors, so that's why I have two. One is brunette or brown, and the other is blonde or very light in color. So we're going to see how to do this. And really the before and after picture is really what you can tell is the selling point for this. So if it worked for me, I think it can work for you. You can make it as tight as you want or as loose as you want. I'm going to show you exactly how I put this on. This is easier to do at home in the bathroom because you're going to have another mirror and you're going to be checking here. I'm going to turn around and you're going to see me put this thing on, and I'm not going to be able to see what you see until I'm editing this video. So we'll see how well I do. But it's a lot easier. And of course, it's even better if you can get some help from somebody. But if you're by yourself, you can do this. So I don't do it in videos because I want to be myself in videos, but I have worn the neck piece by itself without the upper face part. So that's entirely possible. And you get a lot of results just from, tightening that neck area. So let's go right into the demo so I can show you how I put it on and how I got this result. I'm all set to apply Art Harding's magic pieces. So here is the blonde version. So you can see it's light in color and the plastic part is clear. And then this is the brown version. This is the neck piece. And this is the other piece. So I'll do the brown, even though I'm blonde, so that all of you can see what it looks like. Now I'm going to start with the neck because I think the neck piece is the most comfortable to wear. And sometimes I think the neck piece is fine to wear just on its own. So I'm going to put up my hair, and I'll probably say this more than once. I would usually be doing this in my bathroom where I have multiple mirrors, and get all the hair up because you don't want the sticky things to be touching the hair. It's easy to get the sticky things on the hair, and then it hurts taking them off. So I'm going to tear one of these stickies in half, and then there's a tiny little hole on this side and the curved side. And I'm going to take these, which looks like, I think I saw these with toys when I was a child, and I want that on the part that's not touching my skin. So I have to find, with my 64-year-old vision, where the sticky side is. So remember, the sticky side is going to be on my skin. And so on the sticky side, I'll start and put that little metal piece through the little hole and make sure that it's going to be on the outside. Okay. And then I'll take the other one and figure out where the peel off piece is. So the sticky side would be on that side of my skin, and the sticky side, I'll poke it through. Okay. So that now it's like this, right? So the metal pieces are here. They're not going to be touching my skin. And the peel off is on this side. So I'm going to flip around. I have a swivel chair, and you're going to be able to see what I'm doing. I won't be able to see it or check it because I don't have that kind of mirror with me. I turned up my center light, and now my puppy is howling. Another room. All right. So I'm going to peel off one of these, probably for the left side. And I'm going to turn around and knock down my whole filming table. Oh, that'd be a trick. And I'm going to put the sticker on my neck and hold it in place for a few seconds. And then take off the other sticker. And I'm going to stretch that stretchy band. I'm going to move my chair out of the way so I don't knock over the table. Hold it for a few seconds, but I'll turn my chair out. Okay, I'm going to hold that in place. And oh my gosh, my neck looks better already. Okay, and then of course my hair goes over that. And you can't, let me show it again so you can see. You can't see it, right? Even though it's brown. Okay, now we're gonna do, and I just realized I didn't clean off my neck. But I don't have makeup on the back of my neck, but I could have done that. And I have stuff to clean it right here. But it's really hot in this room today, and you can't have a fan on when you're filming. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I did bring with me a little bit of alcohol spray, just alcohol, and a little circle wipe, and I'm just going to spray some on the pad. And where I have makeup here, in front of my ear and right below the hairline, that's where I'm going to end up putting the stickers. So just clean that off a little bit. And then I can take another dry one and make sure it's dry. Oh, right. Now I have another sticker, and this time we're in 2 pieces. So what I'm going to do is, I want the little metal part to be outside, not touching my skin. So on the part where the sticker part pulls off, hold it off, and this here, and then on this side, I'm going to put the clear sticker, hold it in place, and put this thingy over my ear. Okay. And then with the other one, I'll put the metal thing through, pull off the sticky thing, and then this one goes all the hair. Now the trick is you have to pull up your hair and put it in a clip and then connect the 2 in the back. Now here's the thing. It can't be low on the head back here. It has to be up higher. And this is where it helps to have your bathroom mirror and not be making a video. So I'm gonna start using, you can use your fingers, but I like to use a rat tail comb right at the ear, above the ear, and then go up. And I have two clips now. And start here and go up. And I'll put that together. Okay, so now I have my hair up. Now I'm going to take these two pieces. I hold them in place. And I'm going to bring them up here behind my head. And you can adjust the tightness and press these little pieces in. And then put your hair down. Now my hairstyle from the last time I did a video on this is different. And today it got really humid out. So I think you have to play with your hairstyle. And again, if I was in the bathroom, I would do that. And I don't think I have enough hair right now. Or I would back comb some of the hair. You're going to see it before I do. So I'd have to be playing with it a little bit more in the bathroom. Okay. So I can already see, and I can talk. It's not like having plastic surgery or anything, but I mean, can you see? I'm looking in my monitor and I'm looking in my mirror and I look so much better. Oh my gosh, so much better. Now, that second piece, of course, is more tight than the neck piece. So that's why I say wearing the neck piece is a lot easier. But if you're going to do some photo shoot or you have a special event to go to, or you need to take some selfies and you want to look good. I look better when I smile anyway without this. I look better in the jowls, but look at me now without, and I'm going to slide in my before picture before I put this on. How about that? So this is reasonably priced, and you can buy one of each if you're not sure of the color. But if you have darker skin tone, of course, get the brown. If you have brown hair, get the brown. Get the blonde if you're fair skin and you have blonde hair. But if your hair is highlighted like mine and you're a natural brunette, you can get the brown. So yeah, 64 years old, and that's how I look. So this actually works. And you can make the thing in the back, actually it's staying in place now. It was slipping a little bit before. But you can make that, you saw it has a bunch of little holes, so you can make it as tight as you want. And I wanted to just do it comfortably and not too tight. But yeah, I don't think it would give you a headache. The neck one certainly wouldn't. So give this a try. I mean, it's just fun if nothing else. And because it comes with these stickers, you can even let friends borrow it. It's not like a toothbrush. And I believe you can even buy more stickers either from Amazon or from Art Harney. So, hey, let me know in the comments what you think. I know some people don't like these things at all. They just think we should just look all droopy and jowly. I don't like that look on me, and I like to look the best I can. So this is a fun way to do it. Check out one of my other videos by tapping its image on the right side of your screen, and I'll see you in the next video.